This video walks you through the correct process for opening and unpacking a Leviton kitted room control box. Note that each room control box is labeled with its own unique room number or room name. Before you open the box, take a moment to confirm that the name or number matches the correct room control box for the area you're working in. Open the box using a standard box cutter. Keep the contents of this box separate from all other boxes until you're ready for installation. Next, confirm that the contents match any paperwork provided. Confirm the exact quantity of each item. This ensures the correct devices arrived in the correct box with the correct documentation. If you notice any discrepancies, notify the factory immediately. After you've removed and discarded the packaging, keep all devices for this room stored in their designated room control box. This helps prevent devices from being misplaced or accidentally swapped with equipment from another room. In some installations, you may have multiple boxes assigned to the same room or job. In this example, the room control boxes are tagged accordingly, and all of their devices will operate together as part of the same system. Devices that use dip switches arrive already configured to their programmed address. The dip switch settings match the address label on the device. Devices that don't use dip switches are pre-addressed through software. Please do not make any adjustments or changes to the dip switch settings or device addresses. Do not swap or mix devices from different boxes or rooms. You will be charged for a callback if you do. Do not open multiple boxes at the same time and create piles of keypads, smart packs, or any other devices. Do not discard the Sapphire touchscreen box until you've checked beneath the inner cardboard packaging for the mounting frame. Do not randomly reassign or change any dip switch addresses. Do not remove any stickers, dots, or dip switch address labels. Do not assume a device is physically located exactly where it appears on the drawing.
If you are looking at the drawings from way up there, and the item says that it's right here, you might look here, you might look here, but it might be hidden right above the roof line. But you know that it's somewhere here because the drawings are overhead. Just because something tells you in the drawings that it should be here, it can actually be 10 feet from there.
By following these instructions, you can correctly open, verify, and organize each Leviton room control box, while ensuring all devices remain matched to their proper room and documentation. This careful process helps prevent mix-ups and common handling mistakes that could disrupt the installation.